Rivers Georgetown has always been a popular RV for anyone looking at an entry-level Class A motorhome. The Georgetown motorhome is available in 7 popular floor plans, ranging from 28 to 36 feet in length, which includes a more upscale model called the Georgetown XL. The particular model we chose to test was the 2014 Forest River Georgetown 328TS. The 328TS is a 34-foot triple-slide floor plan that has opposing slide-outs in the main area that expand into a spacious living area. This unit, like all Georgetowns, is packed with features and amenities that make it a truly desirable RV, but still maintains an attractive street price of around $89,999 in most markets. The Forest River Georgetown motorhome is built on the basic Ford chassis common to most every gasoline-powered Class A currently being produced. The 208-inch wheelbase chassis is rated at 20,500 pounds GVWR and uses the 6.8-liter 362-horsepower Ford V10 engine, producing 457 foot-pounds of torque. The engine is coupled to a 5-speed torque-shift automatic transmission with a tow and haul mode that drives through a 4.88 ratio rear axle. The Georgetown is equipped with an 80-gallon fuel tank, front and rear anti-lock disc brakes, and two 45/70R19.5 tires. Lippert hydraulic leveling jacks are installed with an automatic control panel. Its towing capacity is generous, with a 26,000-pound GCWR and a 5,000-pound hitch. An approximately 3,000-pound cargo carrying capacity means you can load the Georgetown up with plenty of cargo without any real concern about weight issues. The Georgetown is a